Interesting facts about Telangana Part 1. Telangana is the 29th state of India. Telangana is having 33 districts. The biggest district in Telangana is Bhadradri Kottagudem. The smallest district in Telangana is Hyderabad. The richest district in Telangana is Rangareddy district. Highest populated district is Hyderabad. In Telangana, at least every district is having one medical college. The only South Indian state which doesn't share boundary with coastal line is Telangana. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. Geographically, Telangana is the 11th biggest state in India. According to the population, Telangana is the 12th highest populated state in India. Telangana shares boundary with 4 states: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. World biggest Ambedkar statue is there in Telangana. Ninth Prime Minister of India is P.V. Narasimha Rao is from Telangana. In entire India, Telangana occupies the first place in highest per capita income. Telangana is never under British rule. World largest lift irrigation project is there in Telangana, Kaleshwaram.